Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the fall FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep watching. So like I said, we're going to unbox the fall FabFitFun. I haven't even gotten into it this time. I go back and forth. Sometimes I've already opened it because I'm impatient. Sometimes I haven't. So today we have not. I just want to let you know, for the sake of the video, I put long sleeves on because it's a fall video, but it's extremely freaking hot. Let me just get everything out and then I'll show you because this box is too big. I forgot to mention, if you have not tried FabFitFun before, it's a seasonal subscription box and it's like 50 something, 56. I think it's less, but I think like taxes, it ends up being like, I don't know. It's like 56, 54. I don't know. It's, you know, it's a $2 off. Anyways, so you get them seasonally. So it's only charged seasonally as well. What do I have? A Bright Sellers discount again. That's always in there. You get the cute little magazine. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So I did pick some options. Some of them I picked because I just didn't like any of the other options, to be honest. So let's just start with the first thing that I probably wouldn't have picked, but I did pick it because I didn't like the other options. If you watched my other ones, I love subscription box for the fact of it's things that I do need or like, but I wouldn't necessarily go out and purchase myself. So that's kind of why I like it. So when I saw these, it's like, okay, out of all the options, I don't really like anything else, and I do need new of these. So it is measuring cups and spoons. This is the Food 52 measuring cups and spoon set. They are these pretty like teal, blue, green, and gray colors. Anyways, I thought these were cute. I definitely need a new pair. Mine are really old and worn, and like the ones I have, it's like printed on what the size is and you can't even read it anymore, so I definitely needed new ones. Again, it's kind of something that I just don't like buying, so it's kind of nice that it's in there. All right, let's move on to whatever this is. So it looks like this is from the brand Wish. It is a rose hip and lotus mineral milk bath. It is an emollient and mineral rich, gently cleanses. Sit back, relax, and allow this indulgent yet effective milk bath cleanse, moisturize, and soothe your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. That's cute. I might re-gift this to somebody else though, because I don't take baths. Actually, I don't fit in most baths. If you're a bath person, this would be really nice. I can understand how it fits the whole fall vibe, because fall you think of cozy, so I could see like candlelight in a bath. I get it, just not my vibe. Let's continue. This one is called, I think Balance Me is the brand. It's a Wonder Eye Cream. It's a hyaluronic acid witch hazel for all skin types. For a few minutes every day, we get to slow down and take care of ourselves. That's why we created Balance Me, because skin is self-care. It's an award-winning cooling gel, nourishes, smooths, and soothes with aloe and hyaluronic acid while also illuminating dark shadows. Interesting. I'm definitely gonna need to check this out because I have dark circles for sure. This is a cute bottle. Definitely looks like it would last a while since it's an eye serum or an eye cream. I'll have to try this out. I definitely have some other stuff that I need to try out before this. That's the problem with getting these kind of boxes. I used to get BoxyCharm every month as well, and so I just have a crap ton of skincare built up because I don't really do skincare that often. I know I need to. Anyways, so I do need to start using it, so this will be nice once I'm to it. I think I have like 3 other products first. Okay, let's move on. The next one is from Glossier, whatever. It is the birthdaybalm.com. Oh, it's just a lip balm. Cute packaging. Oh, come on. That's adorable. I already have stuff on my lips, so I definitely can't try it, but please tell me you smell like birthday cake. Ooh, this is thick. Oh my god, that's good. Ooh, it smells like birthday cake. This is coming with me everywhere. The fact that it's thick also means it should be really nourishing, and my lips need it. So I'm glad I got that, because Glossier is expensive, isn't it? I'm sure this is, I wish I had the prices, but I'm assuming this is probably almost $20. Let's move on to the next, a wine tumbler. Somebody should tell them I'm allergic. That's fine. I have friends and family that aren't. So it says it's by the brand Chic and Tonic. I don't know. Would you say chic? Chick? Which one would you say? Anyways, it's a wine tumbler. Oh my god. I think I picked this. I did pick this because I was like, oh, I could use it for something else. I picked it, just kidding. How cute. I love the ombre of this like teal color. This is adorable. But then it's like, you know, a tumbler. So it'll help keep it cool or warm. Like I don't have to just use this for wine. This is cute. Yeah, I picked this. I forgot. But listen, okay, this doesn't have to be just for wine. That, or this would be great again to re-gift to somebody. The holidays are coming up. Okay, last item. I almost whacked myself. Did you see that? Anyways, the last item is another that I picked. I think this is the first seasonal box that I didn't get something that made sense. Like this stuff honestly doesn't make sense for it to be fall. It's all just like a whenever kind of stuff. Previous fall box, I think I got a backpack or like a, no, I got a, that was the winter one. I got a scarf. I just didn't pick anything fall. Anyways, this is by the brand Foxy Bay. No fox given. Oh my god, that's fucking hilarious. Anyways, it's a rose gold 25mm curling wand. Did I pick this? Now that I think about it, I'm not sure I did because why would I? I have one. I have multiple. This is really nice. I love that this is like a matte soft black. I love that material. However, this wand, this is tiny. Is this the kind that you can change? You can't. So look, this is cute, but can we see how long my hair is? And this is in a ponytail. My hair is down to my butt. This is like gonna curl half my hair. Let me just show you mine. It's all wrapped up, but mine doesn't even fit all of my hair at times. And my barrel compared to this barrel. Yeah. I like this though. I mean, it's not to say I'm always gonna have long hair. So if you don't have long hair, this is actually really nice. But this would also still be nice to do sections. And I do like this thickness. What is it? 25mm? Although we're used to inches here in the States, so I'm not sure. Hey Siri, what's 25mm in inches?
25mm is 0.98 inches.
So this is almost an inch. Do I keep it or regift it? Do I keep it or regift it? I don't know. Anyways, I know this was a really short video, but that is everything that came in the box. It normally comes with about 5 to 6 items. So I definitely think this one wasn't the best one I've ever received from them. I mean, it's still a good contender. Anyways, that is all I have for this video though. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.